Assalamu alaikum. I'm gonna be teaching you. That's right. I'm gonna be teaching you data handling. The topic number one. I don't really remember, but then I'm gonna try my level best. I didn't prepare any script like those videos, पहले के जो videos थे, but I'm gonna be teaching you the best way I can, and it's gonna be good. Okay, but before starting, you have to know I have prepared nothing. Okay, I'm just gonna be what do you say, blabber. I'm just gonna be talking gibberish. Okay. Let me start. Oh yeah, and then the shirt. Yep. So yep. Now I'm gonna be start teaching you. So, Sadia, my beautiful Sadia, I'm gonna be teaching you a topic in data handling, which is really, really, really easy. Now, if you listen to me very carefully, it's gonna be the best topic you have ever heard, and it's gonna be your favorite in maths. Yep. Now, basically, what is a pie chart? A pie chart is basically a pictorial representation of data. That's it. A pictorial representation of data. Now, we'll take, yep, I took a word for you. Now we take a circle. Can you see the circle? Yep. Now we take a circle and then we draw a radius. Let's keep this semicircle, okay? Let's assume it as a semicircle. And then if we are not really satisfied with semicircle, which I'm not really satisfied with semicircle, I need a quarter, so we'll make another quarter. Now, I'm really not satisfied with a quarter, so I'm gonna make another half of a quarter. Okay, now you can see the circle. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. Now, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, when you add, let's keep it as X, Y, Z, and Q. Now, I'm gonna be making it really simple. X is nothing, it's just a value. It could be anything. Got it? I'm teaching you a bit more advanced version so that it could be really easy for you in the future, ni? And anything for you? Gosh, like, Malam, no, I have to be in character. I have to teach you first. I can't talk. Yeah, back to the topic. Now, let's keep 4 as X, 3 as Y, and 2 as Z. So basically, assumption of algebra is really, really, really important in future maths. Okay, you would basically assume Jojo bhi data arta na. No, English. You have to assume any data, any equation, any graph to be in the form of X and Y. Wow, battery's not there. Okay, now suppose we assumed 4 to be X, 3 to be Y, and 2 to be Z, and 1 to be Q. Now when we add the fractions, that's gonna be 4 plus, nope, X plus Y plus Z plus Q by 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Why did we take 4? Why are we dividing this with 4? Because we have divided the circle into its parts. Now, there are 4 parts. That's the reason we divided with 4. Now, this is the formula for to find जो भी size रहता ना, size data का. That means एक circle में how much percentage of the circle does that data acquire. Now, for example, let's keep this as pizza, burger, sandwich, KFC. Now, these many people love pizza, these many people love KFC, these many people love sandwich, and these many people love any other food. So, how do we know? In the form of data, in the form of circle, in the form of, that's the reason I told you it's called pictorial representation of data in the form of a circle, and that's called pie chart. It's as simple as that. Now, let me write a data for you. अरे यार it's mirrored यार. It means I love you so much. Mwah. Bye bye. That's all I remember. And yep, that is radiant to क्या किया रहता ना वो. I really forgot यार. Come on. I have to erase this because anytime if Apu Ami comes, I'm dead. Dead. Whew. Let me just, I just bathed and came right now, and I wore this shirt for you. Yep. Yep. And the pimples, I have, let me show it to you properly. Yep. Here I have one, and then here I have one. Basically, I have tried to apply anything my mom is saying me. की कहते हो मम्मा मुझे बोले हल्दी का कुछ लगा बोल के मम्मा बोले हल्दी और कॉफ़ी जो रहता ना वो you know it you showed me once poor and then the what you say widened eyes. Yep, you showed me that before. It was beautiful यार. वो दिनाश कैसे की थे नहीं वो दिनाश कैसे की थे नहीं कितने beautiful थे नहीं ना वो. It was beautiful नहीं. It was fun. The way you wrote my sir R in your hand, it was really beautiful. And then I wrote your name here. I wrote your name here. What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me? I'm so shy. Gosh. I really love you so much. You are my princess. You are my Jan. You are my Shona. No, you have to be strong when you're telling this. Oh yeah, let me show you my jawline. Oh yeah, the neck, knee. The neck. Let me just show you the neck. No. Normally. Let me show you normally. Yep. Oh, that's the reason तुम मुझे पूछे so. Are you doing it normally क्यों बोल के? ये neck का नहीं. Just happens really. Just happens naturally, But now, I'm not showing you anything. I'm not showing you anything. And then the muscles. Yep. Let me show you the chest muscles. Yep. That's something here. Yep. इतना बड़ा है यहाँ पर. Wow. Yep. And then this hand. I mean, अभी तो tight हो गया मालूम shirt ये. Before it was really loose. And then now यहाँ पर एक muscle, यहाँ पर एक muscle. And then यहाँ पर एक muscle. Yep. सुने आ रहा आवाज आ कर रही हूँ उन्हें आवाज आ कर रही हूँ उन्हें मैं रख दे तू वीडियो बाद में रिकॉर्ड नहीं होएगा because anytime the charge can go and then if the charge goes 7% है so when it's 6% I'll just tell you and then I'll off the video because charge चला गया the video will not be saved and then I'll slap myself so much the neck knee gosh what do I have to improve in myself my studies yeah I'm improving it and then my nose the Pashtun nose I cannot do anything about it many people say कि ये जो है नहीं nose it's big कहते मोटा कहते when this was when I was in grade 6 grade 7 I told you it was a really horrible time for me I was really fat and I had no hairstyle and then shit personality really I was really bad Sadia and while coming to grade 9 that sadness turned into anger yeah and then the Abu ke jo jeans rehte Abu ke dada ke jeans jo rehte they kicked in real hard real bad and when I turned when I came to grade 10. That was the peak time of Gundagarzi. Peak time. Really, really peak time. I did many, many things which I shouldn't. I told you ना क्या क्या करा बोल के मैं. I did those things. I'm really sorry. I told you. You know everything about me almost. I told you about Shumela. Yeah, I told you about Shumela. That bitch. गाली नहीं बोलना नहीं. Yeah, that's one. I didn't tell you the story of her. Apart from that, you know everything. Yep. And क्या भी ज़्यादा नहीं है. She was from Mumbai, and then just lasted for a few months. That's it. Of course, I didn't love anyone except. I mean, those were crushes, you know. I would really say they were crushes. पहले जो थे, I would really not say that they. बचपन में जो होता these things, it's really what you say. I don't think so. It's really what you say until, and you know when you know it actually. You know it in your heart कि it will not be for a long time. बोल के you really know it in your heart कि ये नहीं इतनी अच्छी नहीं है. You don't really trust her so much. Or the same goes for the female gender.